What is next one, brother? Kharaja Hamidun. See, now your mind is saying Kharaja Hamidun. Minal Gurfati, from the room. Wa Zahaba ilal Hammami. MashaAllah. How will you translate, brother? Hamid went from the room, came out from the room and went to the shower. Hamid came out of the room, left the room and went to the shower. Man kharaja min al-fasli. This is a question. We won't analyze it, brother. Man kharaja min al-fasli. Only translate. Who left the room? Who came out of the room? Classroom. Who came out of the classroom? Who went out from the room? Fine, brother. Next one, brother. Kharajat talibu min al-madrasati wa dhahaba ila suki. What is suki? Market. MashaAllah. Okay, brother. What kind of a sentence is this? Verbal sentence. Kharaja. Okay. Jumla failure. Where is fi'al? I see kharaja. Where is the file? Atali bu. Brother Muhammad, why do you say bu? It is a file. So, what about file? File is always marfu. Now, do you see why we emphasized marfu, mansub, majrur? Why did we did so much? It's because we want to understand it. The nouns decline. The nouns decline according to the functions they perform in the sentence. If the noun comes as a fa'il, it will be marfu. If the noun comes as a mubtada, it will be marfu. If the noun comes as a one word, as a khabar, it will be marfu. And if the noun comes after harf jar, majroor, khatam ho gayi baat. Are you with me? So far, so good. We will keep on learning more. Since last, brothers and sisters, since last 40 years, these books are in circulation. In every university and college in the world, these books are taught. And Dr. Abdul Rahim never charged a penny for a royalty. He just did it for the love of Arabic and love of Qur'an. I once joked with Dr. Abdul Rahim and I said, Dr. Sahib, if you had charged from day one the royalty, you will be sitting next to Bill Gates. You would have become millionaire. But he never charged a penny. And anybody who wants to print, he gives them copyrights. May Allah bless him. And may Allah give him long life to serve the cause of spreading Arabic. Inshallah, next year he will be here and you will all meet him, inshallah. Okay, next sentence, brother. Now comes Khadijatu min as-Sini wa Khalidu min al-Yabani. Now tell me, brother, what kind of a sentence is this? Nominal sentence. Jumla. Where is Mubtada? Khadijatu. Where is Khabar? Min as-Sini. What is min as-Sini? Jar majrur. Shibu jumla. Okay. Then ataf comes. What is next one? Khalid. What is Khalid? Mubtada. And what is next to it? Min al-Yaban. So again, Shibu jumla khabar. Okay. Fine, brother. Here is something for you to, fill in the blanks. Da, put, fill firag in the empty places. Harf jar, munasiban. Munasiban. Suitable harf jar you got to put. Those prepositions are given. What are they, brother? Min, ila, fi, ali. Ala. Min, ila, fi, ala. Ila, ala. Next one. First one. Al-kitabu al-maktabi. You got it, brothers and sisters? It's easy. Next one. At-talibu fil fasli. The student is in the class. Remember, the student. These are all definite nouns. Zahaba, okay. What kind of a sentence is this? Verbal. Zahaba Hamidun. Did I say some harf jar will come with Zahaba? What will that be? Zahaba ila. Zahaba ila. Always Zahaba ila. So Zahaba Hamidun ilal jamiyati. What is the translation? Hamid went to the university. Got the idea, brother? Very good, inshallah. Now, what kind of a harf jar will come with kharaja? Min. Okay. So kharajal. What will be the next one? Mudi. Ru. Why ru? File. Because it is file. It's marfu. It's marfu. I hope you are getting it. Files are always marfu. Marfu. Never make a mistake, brother. Kharajal mudiru minal madrasati. The mudir came out of the madrasa. Okay? Or he left from the madrasa. Now here you have a choice. Brother, do you want Hamid to go to China from Japan? Or do you want him to go to Japan from China? You have a choice here. You have a choice. So let us send him from China to Japan. Send him from China to Japan. Are you with me? What did I say? From and to. So let us say Zahaba. What kind of a fi'l? It's a fi'l. It's a fi'l. Fi'l madi. Fi'l. Zahaba. I need file. Where is file? Muhammadun. Okay. And then Minasini. And then Ilal Yabani. Isn't it easy, brother? Zahaba Muhammadun Minasini Ilal Yabani. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. Al-Kalimatul Jadidu. New words. Al-Madrasatu. Al-Madrasatu. Al-Faslu. Classroom. Al-Hammamu. Shower. Al-Mirhadu. Toilet. Al-Matbahu. Kitchen. Al-Ghurfatu. Room. Al-Jamiyatu. As-Suku. Al-Yabanu. As-Sinu. Al-Hindu. Al-Filipino. Philippine. Al-Mudiru. Zahaba. Kharaja. He left. Got the idea? Next one, brother. Fi. Ala. Min. Ila. These are min huruful jarri. These are some of the particles of jar, prepositions. Inshallah, it's very clear, brothers and sisters. Hope today's session was fruitful. We learned a lot. Tomorrow, again, we'll continue with our verbs. And the next lesson, brothers and sisters, lesson number 5, is very beautiful, very interesting. It's most of his halwa puri, but there are some hard chickpeas. But inshallah, we'll try to digest everything. It's very important. If you want to try to read on your own, read the key of lesson 5. Try to understand as much as you can on your own, and in detail, we'll go tomorrow. Okay, brother? رَبَّنَا آتِنَا فِي الدُّنْيَا حَسَنَةً وَفِي الْآخِرَةِ حَسَنَةً وَقِنَا عَذَابَ النَّارِ رَبَّنَا هَبْ لَنَا مِنْ أَزْوَاجِنَا وَذُرِّيَّاتِنَا قُرَّةَ أَعْيُنٍ وَاجْعَلْنَا لِلْمُتَّقِينَ إِمَامًا رَبَّنَا لَا تُؤَاخِذْنَا إِن نَّسِينَا أَوْ أَخْطَأْنَا رَبَّنَا وَلَا تَحْمِلْ عَلَيْنَا إِصْرًا كَمَا حَمَلْتَهُ عَلَى الَّذِينَ مِنْ قَبْلِنَا رَبَّنَا وَلَا تُحَمِّلْنَا مَا لَا طَاقَةَ لَنَا بِهِ وَاعْفُ عَنَّا وَاغْفِرْ لَنَا وَارْحَمْنَا أنت مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم وتب علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. Jazakumullahu khair. Inshallah, we will